So it turns out the only thing you need to make really cool art is scrap paper and a really big pair of scissors. I love taking risks when I paint, but the downside is you end up with a pile of rejects. Thing is, those rejects are a gold mine. So this was an old watercolor I wasn't feeling. Instead of tossing it, I'm using it as a stage. I'm painting the bottle on scrap paper first. Nothing fancy, just pushing paint around, letting it get messy. This is where a lot of people tighten up. Do you struggle with that? Trying to control everything? I'm not thinking perfect. I'm just trying to get something that feels right. Now, here's the move. Cut it out. And don't cut it clean. Leave it jagged, irregular. That works great. That edge, that's what makes it pop. It pulls the whole thing forward. Then I just drop it right on top of that old watercolor painting. And suddenly, that failed piece is doing all the heavy lifting. That's the thing. These scraps, these rejects, they're not failures. They're where all the good stuff is hiding. So what do you do with your bad paintings? Do you toss them? Or do you go back and look at them? Perhaps reuse them? Because for me, this is where I loosen up the most. So what do you guys think about this technique? Thumbs up, thumbs down? You're going to give it a try? Let me know in the comments and follow for more.